Okay. We have light, folks. See? So I've got it all the way up. Now, when I slide the dimmer down, see that? I can have these nice and dim at night now. Like if you want to go to the bathroom at night, you come in your bathroom. All you have to do, don't reach for the dimmer. If you want it down that low, figure that out at night. Figure out how high you want it. And then just remember to turn your switch on and off down here at the bottom. Okay? If you want it up a little bit higher. See, so for when my mother comes, maybe she'll only want it like that at night. So when she comes in here, all she'll have to do is that. And then during the day, if she's brushing her teeth or doing anything else, she can just slide that on there. That's plenty. Okay, so there's an idea for you in your bathroom to put a dimmer switch in. Something you never thought you would do. Look at that. Shoot. Now how much is it going to cost for you to install a dimmer like that? 15. You can get a dimmer like this, something comparable to this, $15 to $25. And you've done it yourself, and now you've got a light switch that you can use somewhere else in case one fails or something. Okay, $15 to $25 depending what kind of dimmer switch you get. That's it. You can do these things. Now you can start saving some money. By the money that you've saved, you can now start buying some tools of your very own. These are the different ones I use for this job right here. And my tape measure, and that was about it. I've got my nail bag down here. I couldn't wear that while I was sitting up there on the counter. But then I've got everything. All my stuff fits in the exact same spot. Then every time I put my nail bag on, I know where all my stuff is. This is something that you can invest in yourself. Nice little tool bag like this. You can get those at the hardware store too. Start making yourself useful around the house and do it yourself. And what am I going to talk about next time? I'm not quite sure, but it might have to do with grease on some doors. If you want to check that out, keep watching my videos. Yes, this kind of grease for doors. What am I going to use that for? White lithium grease? It's a multi-purpose grease? Well, watch my videos and you'll see. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.